Hello, good morning. I'm discussing some terminologies used for ICT. Web service. Web service as a method of communication between two electronic devices over a network. It is software function provided at a network address over the web with the service always on, as in the concept of utility computing. Many organizations use a multiple software system for the management. Web-based uh, Work-based training is the delivery of an educational experience over the internet, whether the learning is done live, synchronous, and or the pre-made asynchronous. It can use different content delivery methods like video, text, live instruction, or even games to help students stay engaged. Web-based learning is called online learning or e-learning because it includes online course and content, discussion forums via the email or video conferencing and live lectures, video streaming, are all possible through the web. Web-based course may also provide static page such as the printed course materials. Virtual reality is a computer-generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be the real, making the users feel they are immersed in their surroundings. Internet-based learning refers to the practice of the using online resource to deliver educational content, either as the supplement to the traditional classroom teaching or as the primary mode of instruction. Digital life, the term digital life is also used to know the totality of spec, humans, and existence that are related to the digital technologies in its comprehensive meaning. The term digital life stands for the way of life in which digital technologies are an integral part of all aspects of human lives. Internet-based learning refers to the practice of the using online resource to deliver educational content, either as the supplement to traditional classroom teaching as in the primary mode instruction. Virtual world is the computer simulated representation of the world with specific spatial and physical characteristics, and user as virtual worlds interact with each other via the representation of themselves called avatars. Modeling-based virtual worlds differ from the traditional video games in their objects. Virtual learning environment, BLE, is the platform used educational to give access to the educational content online. This can be via computers or mobile device, tablets, phones, or even games consoles. Most of the BLEs are set up by a specific educational institution, for example, school, college, university. A digital environment is an integrated communication environment where the digital device communicate and manage the content and activities within it. The concept is based on the digital electronic system which are integrated and implemented for the global community. Computerized, controlled by the produced by a computer, especially the within the something was previously done by the people or other machines. The country recently switched or computerized voting. Manufacturing process have become increasingly computerized. Login and log out. Login enables the permission to a specific operation like sharing and content buying a product that you are a registered user. Log out is disable and permission to do a specific operation to be clear that you will become an anonymous user after log out. Electronic governance, e-governance is the application of the information and communication technology for the providing the government service, interchange of static communication proceeding and interaction of the various independent systems and service. E-learning or learning system based on the formalized teaching but with the help of the electronics resource is known as e-learning. E-class is an attempt to encourage the quality of learning and help them process of learning by making the effective and engaging innovative ways. E-class have the developing solutions and delivery platforms that enrich teaching and learning experience. The main aim is to go beyond the traditional black and white textbook approach and connect technology with education. Artificial intelligence, AI is the process of integrating and applying the artificial intelligence technology within the classroom to enhance teaching and learning experience. AI in education refers to the using the technology to address the cognitive, physical, academic, social, and emotional factors in learning. Examples AI is educational for students include grammar checking software, text-to-speech platforms, and flashcard software. Example AI education professors include plagiarism detection software, lecture transcription platforms, and automatic grading tools. Plagiarism, lecture transcription platforms, and automatic grading tools. Simulation is the something that represents something else. It is not real thing. At times, you might perform a simulation as the practice of real life, such as the flight of simulation that's used to train pilots. Interactive whiteboards is a digital device that allows user to project files and manipulate them to broad surface. An interactive whiteboards will only function when a computer, projector, and LCD display are present. Whiteboards will display whatever is shown in the user's computer screen. Internet and intranet. Internet is the global computerized network that allows the information exchange between the device, and internet is the private network that is the only accessible to the members of the organization. Internet and also accessible to members of the organization. Blending classes are also the hybrid learning and approach that education that combines online education materials and opportunities for the interaction online with the traditional place-based classroom methods. Virtual classroom is the online learning environment that allows the teachers and students to communicate, interact, and collaborate to explain ideas. A virtual classroom enables students to access quality teacher anywhere on the planet, so long as they have a reliable internet connection. Multimedia is a system that relying information or entertainment that includes many different forms of communication. You might use the multimedia to give a presentation at a school. Multimedia might include the video, audio clips, and still photographs. For example, hyperlink on an area and web page that when clicked on with the mouse will transport the user to the another web page. Also called links or hot links, hyperlinks are analogous to the hypertext, or hyperlinks are commonly used on the web to provide the navigation, reference, and depth where the published text cannot. Network and interconnected or interrelated chain groups of system are network of hotels between A and B system, A system, computers and peripherals that are able to communicate between the hotel A and B. Server is the computer program or device that provides the service to another computer program and also known as client. In a data center, the physical computer that server programs runs also frequently refers to as the server. Website. Our website is the collection of files accessed through the web address, covering a particular themes of subject and managed by the particular person. Organization is opening page is called home page. Database is the organized collection of the structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by database management system. LMS, the learning management system, is software that allows and to create, deliver, and record on training, course, and programs. VLE stands for Virtual Learning Environment, and that is replicate your school or college learning environment. This would be in a cloud-based solution online. Virtual refers to the online nature of the platform. This makes it accessible by the internet from anywhere. MOOC, that is the massive of open online course, is a model for delivering learning content online to any person who wants to take a course within the no limit on attendance. Massive open online system is the delivering learning content online, any person. OER is the freely and publicly available teaching system. Resources that reside the publication domain have been released under the intellectual property license and permits their free use of the repurposing by others. Block in web page type regularly update a website that provides insight into the certain topics. The word block is combined Boston words. Web in blogs after that, inception blogs were simply online diary where the people keep and log about their daily lives on the web. Operating system is the program that has been initially loaded to the computer by the boot program and manage all of the other application program in the computer. Application programs make use of the operating system by the making requests and service through the application programs interface API. Application systems are for the business applications, so the general ledger application system, collection of hardware and software produced, designed to meet all of the requirements for the certain market in specific type of thing. Social media is the collective term for the website and application that focus on communication, community-based input in interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. People use social media to stay in the touch and interact with friends, community, and various communities. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focus on the using data and algorithms to enable AI to imitate the way that humans learn and gradually improving in accuracy. User account is the account assigned to the individual user to access the system. It typically requires a username and a password for the authentication and is used for a single person and use accounts should have limited permission based only on users role and jobs responsibilities. Cyber law is also the internet law, digital law, signify the legal regulation and framework and governing the digital activities. It covers large range of issues, including the online communication, e-commerce, digital privacy, and the prevention of prosecution cyber crimes. Okay, I'm discussing about some terminologies used in the is for the ICT. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. That's now. Bye bye.